little word explorers. It's Jaden again. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to discover some mighty two-letter words. These are small words with just two letters, but they can do big things in our sentences. Are you ready to learn and play with them? Let's get started.
A T at A T at The cat is sitting at the window. An An I see an apple. As I ran as fast as the wind. He plays with the ball. If it rains, I will take my umbrella. Am I am happy. It is a ball. So it is hot, so I drink water. By The cat sits by the window. Is The sun is bright. In The cat is in the basket. Me. Look at me. No. No. No, I don't want it. B. I want to be a doctor. Go. Go. I go to school. Of. The cup is full of milk. On. The cat is on the mat. To. O X ox. O X ox.
This is an ox.
U P up. U P up. The red balloon floated up into the bright blue sky. W E we. W E we. We're playing together in the park.
Thanks for watching. Also, do well to like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be aware of when we upload our contents.